sunglasses. It's gonna be bright. Meow!
That was the most cringe thing I've ever seen.
To start with, I have the Womier 66 key with the black switches. Your eyes are really burning. I haven't even revealed the keyboard yet. It's got RGB, but let's see the OG RGB on it first, since I don't think it's that great. That's pretty bright. It's a pretty good starting point. This desk mat looks very sus. South-facing switches, very cool, but overall pretty flimsy keycaps. I'm not a fan. What in the world? It's got a tiny Windows key. Weird. Boom. Hot swappability. These stabilizers are so rattly. Why are they so shaky? Hold 14 screws. Wow. Lube time. This is the ultimate G-lube. And this stuff is thick. What's the Band-Aid do? So the stabilizers inside their housings were like shaking really wildly, but if you put these Band-Aids, it just adds as a way to make the plate a little bit stiffer. So now when you put the stabilizer in, it shouldn't move back and forth as much. Do you have a favorite mechanical keyboard? This is a tough question. I've realized recently that I don't use the best mechanical keyboards. I like keyboards that I build, whether it's a fancy keyboard or a not fancy keyboard. If I put in the effort to build the keyboard, I become connected to it. When you build something, it makes it special. Boop, first one. See, it's super tight now. Oh yes, is there any movement? Oh, it's so stuck in place. That's what you like to see. These switches are gonna not be the ones that I'm using. My new switches, I think these are the ice candies. I tend to mix these up with the jellyfish or the aqua kings because they all look the same. Now let's pop them in. Please fit. Are you gonna tell me you're not gonna fit? Why don't you go in? It's so tight. Okay, this is gonna be harder than I thought. I have to align the PCB. The PCB is aligned though. The PCB moves. Oh, no way. What? Oh man, this is crazy. Okay, I'm gonna take it apart. Wow stick time. Oh yeah. The wow stick came with this really cool pad. A screw pad. It's magnetic. Whoop, that is legit. Now that we've taken apart the keyboard, we get to look at its coolness. But I think what I'm going to do is probably just pop all the switches in here and then align it with the PCB. Okay, I don't have big brain, so we'll do the corners only. Even that is crazy hard. I need like thumb pads or something. It's so painful. Oh, that hurts. We will align it now, and hopefully it'll just go in perfectly. Okay, that wasn't very big brain. It's not big brain. This is small brain thinking. This is a big brain move. RGB brain. That's the new meme. RGB brain. All done. Beautiful. They look completely see-through. Now I have to put it back together. I'm thirsty. It's time to reveal Keycaps. Keycaps. Open it up. Open it up. These are the reverse pudding keycaps. Not the normal pudding keycaps. The opposite. Even more intense RGB to make you a better gamer. Wow. Ooh, dang. I needed a completely good RGB keyboard, and yet my spacebar is not RGB. The legends are all on the side of the keyboard. It looks pretty dang bright, but I think I can do better. Boom! Flexible LED strip lights kit. RGB! Is this cheating? No, 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 no. I will not tolerate being accused of cheating no longer. Everywhere will have RGB. Turn on. Turn on. Please turn on. Oh, I'm gonna keep on going until I run out of RGBs. It's beautiful, yet so scuffed. No one cares about the appearance. Just RGB, just brightness. Don't ask me how this is functional. It almost sickens me to look at it. Beautiful. This is the best keyboard I've ever made. I'm gonna be a true gamer. All right, typing test. Sounds pretty nice. This is a spooky Halloween story, but it's actually a gamer story. I don't even think we need the lights back on. This is good enough. It deserves a place on the Christmas tree. It should be the very top of the Christmas tree.
Wasn't that the most brightest key?